Hi, I'm Michelle Cromer, and this is your Creating a Meaningful Life tip of the week. Several of y'all have reached out about stress and what to do about the Thanksgiving stress. So I'm going to give you some harmonious tips because Thanksgiving is the kickoff to the holiday season and it can be stressful. So here are some harmonious tips. Number one, harmonious seating. The dining room is considered to be the place of wealth in your home, so use it. Bring out your good stuff, your china, crystal, silver. Harmonious decor. Number two, if you think your guests might argue, and mine seem to always do, then invite an even number of people for that balance. In Feng Shui, we divide everything into balanced yin dark and yang light. So decorate with soothing earth colors like pumpkin, evergreen, and chocolate. Orange is the element of fire, which encourages conversation, and yellow wakes up the room just like the sun. Number three, harmonious food. Having plenty of food and all of your family's favorites is critical. In Texas, we have cornbread dressing, sweet potato casserole, broccoli cheese casserole, and yes, that is made with Velveeta cheese, tamales, and of course, lemon jello. I love pie, so I have half a pie per person, and I normally have around 26 people, so that means I have pumpkin, pecan, apple, cherry, sweet potato, buttermilk, coconut cream, chocolate. We have it all. As we are eating, my family and friends take turns and tell everyone the main thing they are grateful for. After you eat, go out and move your chi, walk around, play football. I hope all of y'all have a healthy, happy, and prosperous holiday filled with good food, great family, and friends who surround you with love, harmony, joy, and of course, tons of gratitude and pie. Thanks so much. Please ask me questions at michelle@michellekromer.com. Thanks, y'all.